How's it going, guys? My name is Tavarish, and today is going to be a little bit different. I'm just showing you a clip today that I found, and apparently I didn't put into a video for reasons unknown. Maybe I forgot or something, but it is. I thought it was pretty interesting. It has to do with my trip with David Tracy across the country in his 1948 really rusty Willys Jeep. And we made it across. You can see all our antics in those videos. The playlist that's going to be in the description below. But this video is specifically about how we found a huge nail in the tire, and we found that right outside of a Freddy's Steak Burgers. It's a little bit weird that it's outside of a Freddy's, but Freddy's Steak Burgers, and that was owned by my friend, and you guys know him. His name is Tyler Hoover. And Tyler Hoover also made an appearance in the video, and he actually narrated a little bit of it, and it was a lot of fun. So I thought that for today, today is a chill day anyway. It's Memorial Day, so Memorial Day for people in the U.S. Yeah, I figured that would be a cool thing to show you guys. Regular schedule is gonna go up tomorrow and through the week. I am in Florida. I am at my house. So that does mean that the Mercedes made it, and that video will be posted tomorrow. Actually, before I start the video, I know I should have done this earlier, but I guess better late than never. I'd like to thank all the servicemen and women who are currently serving, and I'd like to honor those who have fallen for protecting our freedoms and our way of life, and allowing me and everybody else who does this sort of stuff to kind of follow their dreams and do what you do in a free country, and that really means a lot to me. Ever since I moved down to Florida, there's a huge swell of support for this sort of thing, and I've gotten in tune with it more than I have in New Jersey, and it really is important to me. And I'd like to thank those who are currently serving, and I'd like to honor those who have given the ultimate sacrifice. So thank you very much. And without further ado, here's the video.
You feeling this? Yes,
Yeah. Yeah.
Look, a nail in our tire. We just took a nail out of that side. It didn't puncture, so that's fine. Here's another nail. Let's see how deep this one goes. All right. Come on, little vice grip. You got this. Oh, Lordy. Look at that nail, it's enormous.
That is quite a big nail. All right, we gotta patch it up with something.
It's all right, we'll let it. Give some air here. Let's start reaming.
Yep. I think you should use a little lubrication.
Well, actually, you don't want to lubricate it. You want this. You don't want that slipping out. Let's let it lose a little bit of air here.
It's gonna take a while. There's some meaty tires.
Sir, man, that nail is just a monster. It's so big. So this thing went in at an angle, right?
Mm-hmm.
Do you remember what angle? It was like that, I think. So I think I'll make our little ream at an angle as well. Last time I did this, I used a lubricant. This is a questionable move since you don't want the plug to slide out.
The plug won't slide out. Come on, there we go. There we go.
That's the sort that's done here.
Mm-hmm.
I could just be a stronger human. That would be nice.
Would you like me to try?
I want to try.
Everybody can try.
Everybody
All right.
So a little angle is a good thing because the nail is in at an angle. Okay. No. Okay, Freddie. You're a twist as you do it.
Ow! That's a tetanus shot right there.
Yes, it is.
Dang it, let's try to avoid that. Okay. Alright, Lancelot.
All right, let's try it.
See, this is the part of YouTube where they're like, these guys are the shittiest ass mechanics ever. They can't even. Oh, I hear.
You're pretty far in.
These don't have like. See, this is a part in the procedure where we're doing stuff we're not supposed to do, but in the interest of time, it'll work.
You can do it, put your back into it. Oh wait, that was what he didn't want.
Do you have lubricant?
This is all I have.
A little motor oil on the tires never hurt anybody.
So this one likes diesel oil?
Yes, sir.
Very nice.
There we go. See, all it takes is a bit of lubricant.
It took...
It's a questionable move because you don't want the plug sliding out, but
Just took...
I've done it with success before.
Just took 3 men who haven't seen a gym in years, you know.
I've seen one. I know what it looks like. No?
There's so many ways you could go with this.
See, this is unscripted.
Yes.
Unscripted YouTube. You can't fake this. I mean, you probably can, but.
Go on. There we go. All right. I thought that part was hard. We may have to bring this out a bit more.
I could do that.
All right, Freddie.
do something
Reciprocate. Would you like some gloves?
No.
The handle is not exactly the most comfortable.
Nope.
Let me get this from the angle the ladies will like. There we go.
Shall we just go for it? Let's do it.
Hey guys, how's it going? Approved lubricant applied. Gotta really jam it in there, man.
Oh, this is gonna suck. Not sure our ream job is cutting it here.
Maybe use a hammer?
Hold on, let me get the lever.
I would help more, but these hands aren't really working hands. They're, you know, modeling hands. See this? Look at these. Okay, this is really.
All right.
That was really hot.
It was. And
That
there was a. Did you feel that? I felt that.
I'm tingling.
Let's go into that.
It's okay. We'll do that.
Sort of have to. I'm just my
Hopefully we can get that on slow motion.
my arms are just not strong enough.
I can ream it out. I can ream it out and you'll gather strength for the next bit.
I'm not sure how much more we're going to be reaming this
I
thing.
don't want to blow your load there. Just relax.
And that's about how far they made it from my Freddy's. Typical. To see these hands working actually live in person rather than on a laptop screen is pretty cool.
Come on. Oh, that's pressure.
You can't ream it out anymore, so what's stopping it from happening?
Laws of physics mainly. Take a look at that. That looks very manageable.
You can do it!
Come on.
Nope.
not very far off.
David, I'm not amazed. Why would they sell this to people?
The problem is the reaming.
There we go. There we go.
The reaming tool is so small. Don't put it too far.
Like that?
Yeah. And
Okay.
Then,
All
and
right.
then just use that again and just yank it real hard.
Why don't we just drive down the street like this?
Yeah, with the reaming tool in place. You know, I've seen worse.
All right, we gotta check if it's if it'll hold. But I think,
You know, that's a little.
A little out there.
All right, well, let's just cut it off and run what we brought.
It'll do. It's not a cheer on. It doesn't need to go 230. It just needs to go about 50, right?
It only has to go about 39 miles per hour.
yeah, what you gotta do is, and I missed.
Well, we're gonna cut this.
Here, let me try. Then I'll spit on your head.
They're in one of the pull-out drawers in the.
All right.
Just that it's so gooey. This stuff.
Well, you put enough lube to probably
Yeah.
fill the engine crankcase on it to get it in there.
We'll just have to monitor tire pressure.
Yeah, I've got a tire pressure monitoring system in there. So.
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
yeah. They're always a pain on Chryslers. They got to be reset all the time.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. This one is a little more rudimentary, but
This one requires you to get out.
requires you to stop.
Or the thing just rolls over.
Will it hold, or won't it hold? Will I die in a fiery accident? You'll find out next.
Up next on Call to Action.
All right. Sorry, Camry owner.
Oh, he really wants air, doesn't he?
I'm sorry, what?
Sorry. Hey, guys. Am I the only fart smeller here?
All right, well,
That's good.
that is what I would call a low quality but sufficient fix. Safety third, as they say. Okay.
Okay, well, that was it. I hope you guys liked it. It was a really short video, kind of without context, but we just got stranded in Kansas and took out this huge nail, and Tyler Hoover was there, and it was a kind of a lot of fun. If you'd like to see the rest of the videos for that series, that's going to be in the description below. But as always, thank you very much to all my subscribers. You guys have made this into a sort of nothing car channel to a sort of something car channel. And I enjoy every bit of it. I enjoy every bit of the support that you guys give. If you'd like to contact me, you can contact me on Instagram. That is @TheRealTavarish. It's the same thing on Twitter. You can go to facebook.com/AskTavarish, and asktavarish@gmail.com is my email. I do read every single email, but just give me a little bit of time because I do get a fair amount of emails. So I'm not a huge celebrity. I'm not actually a celebrity, but I am more lazy than I am busy. So yeah, if you'd like to contact me, do it there. But you don't look forward for things, right? Look forward to new videos coming out tomorrow featuring my SL55, and I have a new announcement for that car coming this week, so stay tuned for that. But since I actually didn't do any wrenching, or I did, but it was in the past, I'm still gonna remind you that you guys need to wrench every single day.